Thanks to the calm waters and tranquility in the media and the markets and the banks, no drama is good. It's actually giving us a calm and stable mortgage rate environment. As of today, March 30th, Thursday, we have noticed that we have a peaceful trend. The volatility that we had from the end of Friday into coming Monday, we're seeing to see more of a flat line. So we wanted to go ahead and provide you with a mortgage rate update so that you're up to date with what is the trending rate, and so that you're in the know if you're getting a good rate based on the current market, or if you're getting a rate that's a little bit too high or too costly on discount points. We went ahead and priced out a VA, FHA, and conventional loan so that we can give you a scenario. Now, these rates are not specific to a lender. This is a generalized rate environment that we have done based on a consensus of different lenders that we have and what is on the market. This is not an offer to lend or the rate that you may get if you call us. VA, we did a 680 FICO, $300,000 purchase, zero down, first time home buyer. And we're noticing that a par rate, which is your break even rate, where you don't pay discount points, but you don't get any rate rebates. The par rate seems to be averaging around 6.5 to a 6.625 interest rate, with a one discount point is based on the percentage of the loan amount. So one discount point is 1% of the loan amount that you would have to pay at closing in order to get that rate. Usually you can see it on your loan estimate from the lender on the section A, which is the top left side of your loan estimate. And you will see under originations, discount points or fee paid for the rate. This is how much that lender is charging you to give you set interest rate. A lot of times, in order to sound competitive, they will give you this low rate with discount points that is completely unbeknownst to you that you're being charged for this. So again, 5.75, 5.875 with the 1 point discount point on the VA. FHA par rate, we're seeing a 6.5. 6.625 seems to be an average norm for the FHA. Again, 680 FICO, 300,000 purchase price with a 3.5 down payment, with a one discount point, 5.75, 5.875. Conventional, we actually did a 5% down and a 20% down. There has been some loan level adjustments where they're actually being more favorable to the lower down payment conventional than to the 20% plus conventional buyer. This is something that we have brought up a few times, some of the changes that took place. So for instance, to give you an example, with the conventional, same credit score, same purchase price and everything, only difference is the down payment. With the 5% down, we're looking at a 7.325 average par rate. With a 20% down, we're looking at a 7.5. With a one discount point under 5% conventional, 6.875. With a 20% conventional with a one discount point, we were looking at a 7.125. We weren't even able to get into the sixes. So you can see that the higher down payment on conventional in today's market is actually not giving you the same favorable rate that is being given to the buyers that are coming in with, I guess you could say, lower qualifications or less money into the transaction. Those rates that we mentioned, again, this is to give you a generic norm on what's out there in the market. If you're not being quoted a rate similar to these, or you're being quoted a higher rate or the par rate, or you're being quoted higher discount points for rates in this range, you may want to consider shopping around, because this is what the current market is going for right now. You can always call us. We'll be more than glad to either price you or connect you with some of the referral networks in other states that maybe we're not licensed in, to help you make sure you always get a better deal. Again, this has been the mortgage rate update as of March 30th. Thank you.